Hello, and thank you for joining us today for our discussion on 3 ways your business can reduce costs and increase revenue. We're going to focus on how partnering with LiftMaster and our MyQ community solution will help you achieve those goals. The MyQ community solution for access control creates smart experiences and streamlines not only your customers' needs, but the entire solution is designed to make access simple for you to sell, install, and service. Let's first talk about LiftMaster and who we are. LiftMaster is the primary brand of professionally installed products for the company Chamberlain Group. We have a record of innovation around access control for entrances of all kinds, both residential and commercial. Although what we are showing here is an abbreviated timeline for the company, we have been evolving and providing state-of-the-art solutions for access control for 65 plus years. Many may historically know us for garage door openers, but we have a long legacy of being a market leader in access control for not only residential applications, but also commercial segments for multifamily communities, schools, as well as warehouses and distribution centers. We focus on providing enhanced experiences, and we've shifted our focus over the last 10 years to enhancing our software solutions, connecting our 9 million plus users, and investing $40 million annually on innovation and enhancing our reliability. In 2021, we were acquired by Blackstone, the world's largest private equity firm, bringing expertise and capital to accelerate our growth. A little bit about me. My name is Sherry Johnson. I'll be with you during this presentation. I was a senior product manager for access controls, and now I've moved over to managing our technical training team. I've been with LiftMaster for more than 21 years, informing product design and engineering. I even test products on my own. I've got a Bachelor of Science degree in Applied Math with a minor in Electrical Engineering. So let's move forward. So let's get down to business and why we are here. We'll discuss business opportunities available with cloud-based access, market challenge, connectedness of devices, and rising security risks. The Internet of Things, IoT, has played a crucial role in enhancing the efficiency and automation of security systems, enabling secure data exchange and connecting smart objects to the Internet. Cloud-based communication has made remote monitoring of critical areas possible, and password authentication is being used to secure IoT-based security systems. This has led to the adoption of IoT-based solutions in various areas, like smart video intercoms, mobile credentials, integrated smart locks, and garage door openers. So if you're not already selling cloud-based access control solutions, now's the time to start. So the Internet of Things, and who is Kevin Ashton and why should you care? Kevin Ashton is a British-born serial entrepreneur now associated with the MIT Media Lab. Ashton first coined the phrase Internet of Things in 1999 when he was theorizing about the idea of adding data to everyday things. Pardon me while I have an engineer geek moment, but this part is pretty cool. Ashton thought that if a wireless network could pick up data on a credit card, it could also snatch that data off a chip on a product package. You're familiar with this today. It uses radio-enabled chips to track inventory for almost every kind of business and is known today as RFID tracking. That's why Kevin Ashton is kind of a big deal. So here's your takeaway. If you're not offering cloud-based access control, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to grow your business. It's also the solution to many problems that systems integration businesses tell us they're grappling with. Let's take a look at those. So if we look at the market, we see that there are 3 fundamental problems that system integrators are grappling with. Problem number 1, difficulty finding qualified installation technicians. Problem number 2, difficulty retaining those qualified installation employees. And problem number 3 is difficulty in clearing their backlog of projects. So let's take a closer look at the numbers from the Controlled Product System Group Industry Trends Report. If we dig into the data, it's been challenging for system integrator businesses to hire those qualified installation technicians. 69% of the survey respondents said finding employees with the right skills was a critical factor in growing their business. This comes as no surprise. Half of the businesses surveyed said it's also difficult to retain those qualified technicians. Employee turnover was a major barrier to business success. And because of problems attracting and retaining employees, approximately 80% of the dealer installers said they feel overwhelmed with the jobs in the pipeline. And only 18% of dealer installers have seen any relief in their backlog of jobs. So we design our products to be simple to install. We actively engage with technicians in the field to learn what's working and what's not. And that informs our approach to product design so that people installing our products can work smarter with less troubleshooting and less stress on the job. In other words, we actively listen to our customers, and that informs our new product development. We provide technical hands-on training for all of our hardware systems, as well as the integration into our software platforms. When products are simple to install, technicians become very productive at work, and installing the LiftMaster solution in more of your jobs just increases that proficiency. Diagnostics available on the cloud help your customers troubleshoot, and many times they can get the product back up and running by just connecting online. Our products also offer many ways to connect the hardware, making installation flexible and easy. In a presentation at the Electronic Security Expo, Bates Security revealed that in a year, they had saved more than $236,000 on truck rolls. In a pre-presentation poll, audience members said that sending a technician into the field for a service call costs them between $80 and $120. According to Bates, the true cost is closer to $400. The presenter from Bates said that most common causes of wasted truck rolls are no pre-call at 40%, parts challenges at 35%, and the balance is incorrect diagnosis. We're helping our security system partners with 2 of these 3 challenges. More about that later. But we continue to work with our Security Integrator Council members to address these issues, and we offer free product and hands-on technical training. Plus, our access control products are engineered for easy installation. One of my colleagues who went through the technical training said that if she could learn to wire a smart video intercom, installing it must be stupid simple. That's one way we help our security systems integrators. We offer products engineered to work together that are designed for easy installation. So this is probably going to look pretty familiar to many of you. So property manager calls you and says it's not working. You send out a service technician to find out what's going on, but you find out you don't have the right guy that you sent for the job. And you probably don't have the right equipment because they don't know what's going on. So you send another truck with the right guy and the right equipment, and now you can do the job. So until the equipment doesn't integrate easy, now you're troubleshooting. Ka-ching, you're losing money. This is standard, and this is very common with having the expense of these very expensive truck rolls. So with LiftMaster, you can get visibility into potential problems before you roll the truck. There are over 80 possible notifications from MyQ Community. The property manager can even set you up to receive those notifications directly from MyQ Community platform. You'll know about the issue and be able to resolve most issues before the property manager even knows there's a problem. When you need to send that truck, you'll have the right people, the right tools, and the right equipment with you because you already know what's going on. And you should add maintenance and system diagnostics into your service agreements with all your properties. Your customers will be happy that there's one less thing on their busy schedule to worry about. And your bottom line is better with recurring revenue coming in between the next new customer or project. So we also asked integrators how we could help them succeed. And here's what we heard. Provide high quality products, work with us to find new opportunities, and provide support, and basically partner with us. Make the effort to understand our business. So with that in mind, our smart video intercoms and all other bolt-on accessories were designed to work together seamlessly. And once you learn the basics, those are leveraged throughout the product line. And we have teams in our organization that work with you, our partners, to facilitate your needs, help you through the process, and ensure you succeed. Our internal experts are available to provide the support you need to determine that you've ordered the right equipment, set up the cloud account correctly, and we even help train and onboard the property managers and residents with our new system. And we view our customers as partners, and when you grow, we grow right along with you. Systems integrator attendees at a webinar that my colleague presented made it clear that they want an access control partner who acts as their technology advisor. And that's exactly what we do. LiftMaster educates and informs about cloud access controls with free trainings for your team, installation for your techs, and solution training for your sales team. LiftMaster enables systems integrators to be an advisor to their customers, creating a long-term relationship with opportunities for recurring monthly revenue, RMR. And LiftMaster has a dedicated sales team as well as a business development team that works with our partners, bringing qualified leads, assisting them throughout the entire process, and it's all free of charge. And our teams go the extra mile. They assist in ensuring the right product is being quoted to meet the community needs, right down to walking the site with you. For larger projects or perhaps a national customer, we have our in-house architect and specifier team that can assist in understanding the bid package specs to ensure you are bidding the job correctly. And unlike other companies, we have that business development team that identifies leads on your behalf, and we are dedicated to your success because when you win, we do too. There are many solutions out there that offer cloud-based access, but LiftMaster stands out for many reasons. Our solutions simplify not only the entrance to a property, but to any entrance to any area of the entire building or community. And it isn't just the access control panel or the video intercom. Our products integrate with our other hardware to provide you a complete solution. An example is how our smart video intercoms wirelessly connect to our LiftMaster gate operators. You won't need to trench or cut an existing driveway or entrance, so it's perfect for retrofit. And honestly, it's ideal and cost-effective for new construction as well. With the smart video intercoms and MyQ Community app, you can enable guest management for the residents from their smartphones. Property managers now have one source of truth for all activities throughout the property with the MyQ Community dashboard. And controlling who has access when and where has never been easier with the ability to provide mobile credentials with the smart reader or our video intercom and the MyQ Community app. These are the types of solutions your customers need to move into the future of cloud-based access control, and the benefits are many, and here are top 3. Efficiency. Manage resident changeover without being tied to the property. Get out of the key management business and issue or revoke credentials from your cloud dashboard. Security. See and talk to the person seeking entry with a video intercom before granting access. Most importantly, the residents can do this too. And finally, convenience. Today's renters expect digital amenities and will pay $30 a month or more in rent to get them, including video intercoms, smartphone apps, and smart locks. These are the types of solutions your customers need to move into the future of cloud-based access control, and the benefits are many. Here are the top 3. Efficiency. Manage resident changeover without being tied to the property. Get out of the key management business and issue or revoke credentials from your cloud dashboard. Number 2, security. See and talk to the person seeking entry with a video intercom before granting access. Your residents can do this too. And 3, convenience. Today's renters expect digital amenities and will pay $30 or more a month in rent to get them, including video intercoms, smartphone apps, and smart locks. It's these type of solutions your customers need to move into the future of cloud-based access control. And the payback isn't just in dollars, it's in time, management, security, expected amenities from renters, ease of resident changeover, and so much more. By working with your customers to provide them cloud-based solutions, you help them focus on what matters most. The MyQ Community solution allows the property manager to easily onboard new residents from anywhere, or if needed, revoke credentials easily during a resident turnover. Help manage your maintenance team with unnecessary key pickups by simply turning the credential off, especially with our MyQ mobile credentials. Or if they have a contractor that needs to get in to do some annual maintenance, simply send them a one-time or scheduled access code. And when you save a property manager time, it allows them to focus on what really matters. Managing physical credentials can really be a time suck, so having something like mobile credentials makes it so much easier to manage and budget. And it's also more secure since nobody shares their smartphone like they would a card or a PIN. And the dashboard is a must where property managers can easily onboard residents, remove tenants moving out, and stop worrying about if a former resident still has a credential like a PIN lurking out there. It's easy to integrate with other prop management systems, so you don't need to re-enter your data. Cloud-based access control with wireless connectivity offers tremendous opportunities for managers to modernize security for older properties without breaking the bank. A cloud-based solution is the perfect digital amenity renters are expecting, and they want to use their smartphone to get in and not have to remember a fob, a PIN, or dig it out of their purse just to enter. Add in the whole visitor management functionality, and it's a win-win for all. Residents can see who's at the door on their MyCube community app and let them in. Or when a resident approaches their door, they can just say, "Hey Siri, open the front door," and it unlocks for them with a simple voice command to their smartphone. And let's be frank about the types of credentials that are out there. The most common are keys, PIN codes, and regular fobs. And this is old technology, and consumers today are looking for increased security and seamless access. The smartphone is replacing keys and fobs daily, and our MyCube mobile credentials is available with the MyCube community app. It can't be copied or shared, and if someone's phone is lost or stolen, the property can easily revoke the license to that phone and resend a new one, and even the resident can easily block it until they let the property know. And mobile access alone is growing, especially in the access control market. It's time to jump on this bandwagon and reap those benefits as well. So let me tell you a little bit about our MyCube mobile credential experience. It works with iOS and Android, and it's proprietary to our solution. Residents have up to 3 different modes of use with our smart readers and 2 modes with our smart video intercoms. And we use a BLE communication between the phone and whatever device is granting access, so it doesn't need an internet connection in order to work. If you already manage a property with one of our CapXS or CapXM smart video intercoms, you can enable MyCube mobile credentials today by simply getting those intercoms updated to the latest firmware. MyCube mobile credentials are ultra secure, they're encrypted and non-replicable, ensuring secure and frictionless access experiences for residents. By eliminating physical credentials, which can be lost, stolen, or cloned, MyCube mobile credentials make it harder for intruders to breach the building and easier for property managers to specifically track who's entering. The new LiftMaster Smart Reader, powered by MyCube mobile credentials, provides seamless entry for residents across an apartment complex while maintaining building security, and allows the resident to choose from 3 different modes: tap, like they would a fob, touch, or alert, which is the push notification to the smartphone. Most of our smart video intercoms are also enabled for mobile credentials without needing any additional hardware, and they can use the tap feature or our alert function with the app, and they work seamlessly with those as well. So we've listed the top 5 reasons properties want to enable mobile credentials for their residents. First one is security. Make sure that the right people are getting into the property and amenities at the right time. Remember shared pins and cards? We don't want that anymore. Number 2, it's efficient. No more calls from residents who forgot their badge and need to get in. And cost. Mobile credentials are easy to budget for you, and you only use what you need. So it also ends the time-consuming process of recovering keys and credentials, or having to update everyone in the building because one bad actor may still have a credential somewhere out there. It's convenient. Granting a new resident with mobile credentials is as quick as a mouse click. Revoking them is just as easy. And lastly, it allows the property to know when residents and visitors alike are accessing the property. Better security for the property managers and the people who live there. And mobile credentials is just one feature of our MyCube community app. Other core features include the video calling from the front door. Residents can see who they are letting in. Residents can also use their Apple Watch or simply say, "Siri, open the front door," with their phone. And then getting guest access couldn't be simpler with our guest pass functionality. We have a 4.7 star rating on our MyCube community app. So to see if LiftMaster is the right access controls partner for you, let's talk a little bit about what we can do for you. So first, we save time and money on installation. That connection, wireless connection with an intercom and a gate operator, you could save anywhere from $13 to $22 per linear foot on trenching and running electrical conduit with wireless connectivity between a LiftMaster Smart Video intercom and the gate operator. We have assured compatibility. Get your products made to work together. That adds up to easier solution design, quicker installations, super simple integration, and much less troubleshooting. And it's one contact for support. Work with a dedicated team that includes customer support, product training, and business development reps to help you and your project succeed, all for free. And revenue potential. Earn more by selling MyQ Community software, pricing the service into your maintenance contracts to generate that recurring revenue. And if you only take away one thing from this presentation, I want it to be this. The status quo of door buzzers and telephone intercoms is being upended by cloud-based access control. Your future customers are struggling to integrate cloud-based access control into their properties, and they need your advice, they need your expertise, and they need your continuing support. When you become a trusted advisor who walks customers through the transition to cloud-based access controls, you are building a continuing relationship, and that's the foundation of a successful business. So get in touch. Let's talk. We're here to help you. Here's my information. You can reach me at LinkedIn. We've got our entire sales team and our business development team that's just waiting in the wings to work with you. Please reach out and let us know what we can do to help you increase your business and increase all your revenue. Thank you.